It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, wood grain trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, various drive modes appear on the dash. We've got normal, sport, and off-road. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support with a cloth interior. Next I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with a heated steering wheel button, and on the right side we have our audio controls and voice commands. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Up above we have OnStar and some interior light buttons. This is GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with our trailering app, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. We've also got that hitch guidance on the right side. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, auto stop start, tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, and hill descent control. Here's our trailer brake, some USB ports and power plug-in. To the left here is our engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while holding the button down to start the engine. At the front of the Sierra, we have LED headlamps, fog lights, black tow hooks, the painted grille surround and bumper, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, running boards down below, elevation badging down the side. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. As we make our way to the back, you'll notice this truck has the X31 Offroad Package. It's got all-terrain tires, off-road suspension, hill descent control, a 2-speed transport case, skid plates, dual exhaust with premium tips, and a high-capacity air filter. This truck also has the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps are found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, pushing that button twice to drop the tailgate down. In the box of the truck we have cargo hooks and LED box lighting. Next we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door has power windows, wood trim, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of our center console has 2 cup holders, some rear fans, some USB ports and power plug-ins, rubber floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to raise these rear seats up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.